If you want to use Circle to search on Realme GT 8 Pro, what you can do is if you use 3 buttons for navigation, you want to press and hold the home button for a couple of seconds. And if you use gestures for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation handlebar that you have at the bottom of the screen. After a couple of seconds, maybe a second or two, you will activate the Google overlay. Over here, you can draw a shape around the subject that you want to look for on Google, and you get the Google search results. What you can also do is you can simply tap on the subject in order to try to search for it, so you don't necessarily have to draw any shapes. Sometimes you can just simply tap. Also, we have additional options like music recognition over here and the screen translation. We can see the detected language, which we can adjust if needed, and we can also choose the target language. So let's say I'm going to choose Bosnian, and there we go. And in case this gesture to activate Circle to Search doesn't work for you, or if you want to just make sure that it is actually enabled, or if you want to turn it off, then in that case you want to go to Settings. Next we're going to scroll down in here and go to System and Update. Then we're going to go to System Navigation, and here you should be able to find Circle to Search. Subscribe to my channel.